The day when me go for a visa, and me call her and tell her, say, yo, get me visa, you know.
So at the first time you go for it?
First time I go for a visa, bro.
Bro, you're lucky, you know that?
First time.
Well, I'm not going to say look, that
One go.
blessings.
You know when me go, if you go do the interview, a bag of people in a line, my youth, and then when they talk in and sit dog, and me hear one voice in my head say, yo, just be yourself, be you.
Zin.
You see me? Dog, me go there talk in, you know, dog, pants girt up as you know, brother.
You know,
now me gentleman, you know.
Yeah.
Brother, me get up, man, and me draw up my shirt out and my pants, dog. Take off my shoes and cock up my foot so. Pan the bum bar, pan my next chair where they in front me.
Inside
that embassy. Cock up my foot and draw up my shirt. And did they and just a laugh and a chat to the rest of people them. And people are telling me, say, yo, one teacher woman are telling me, say, yo, this is the 5th time me a come, you know. And me I say, yo, one time me a come and this a time me alone. Me no need to come no more time. That me tell her. And brother, when me go up there and the people them a question me and me answer me question them. A woman, after a woman say, yo, in grant me visa, a woman wheel back one question for me and say,
yeah,
what you say, Ray? And me say, And when me start stuttering, all the people and behind me a laugh. You see them people, and when me sit down with a laugh after me, you know.
You know, this is that we need to run off. So I say, but me not no family member in America. Nobody. She said, well, me have one brother in Maryland.
Oh.
You see me? So I say, yeah, that not sound bad.
So I say you end up in Maryland?
No, well on man. Say she also have one uncle in New Jersey.
Oh.
So now that me tell her, so we're gonna run off. It's like he can't come out of here already either. You see me?
You plant a seed.
No, me plant a seed. So she can't get it out of her head, bro. So she started telling her family member them and everybody and Ray, and we work out, so we get on the program and we come.
Yeah.
But when we come to America, we go New Hampshire. So we do up a New Hampshire, see? So she link her uncle now and tell her uncle, say, yo, nah, go back.
Yeah, stay, no?
Yeah, we are stay. The mother also link the uncle. Everybody a link the uncle, and the uncle say, yeah, man, bring them.
Good, man.
But she say, yo, me and my boyfriend, and the uncle say, yeah, man, nothing wrong, man. On the forward.
All right.
The first sign, I mean, that's a bad omen, bro. The first bad omen. When we reach, and we did it. Remember, you know, the uncle say, I'm going to keep you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me not have nobody in America, and she know me a rally pan.
Yeah.
The uncle say, all right, on the forward, reach at the uncle house. Bro, the first week, the uncle look at me and say, brother,